was a
lot of money was spent by our opponents, and certainly the population we intended to reach out to is now a population that looks at money more than the quality of leaders that they need to elect in order to meet their aspirations. It's also true that we came under attack from sister political parties, including NRM, but also some parties within the opposition. This definitely affected us, and it had the impact of the loss of confidence in what we did. Voter apathy was prevalent. Most people began to think, we have tried to vote the FDC for this many times, and they have always not taken power. But this was also not helped by a new promise by new political organizations that came into the political arena recently, because there was hope given to them. So the FDC has failed.
4 minutes. The of the